YouTube, what's up? Today it is Game Prince and I will be showing you how to get the sledgehammer and upgrade it to the max. For the first part, you have to go buy some toilet paper from Walmart. Then you have to go to Sky's Bar and give Guy under John some toilet paper. Then he'll give you the weathered sledgehammer. After that, you have to go to the club and go to Einstein's twin. You can either say the answer is time or you can fight him. And he'll give you some Einsteinium. And then you have to get out the club and go to the laundromat on the first island. Then you have to give it to Recon Bob U later. You have to give him the Einsteinium. Then you have to give him your weathered sledgehammer and he'll give you a heavy sledgehammer. And you'll earn 15 strength as well. After that, you have to go to the contraband salesman and buy some unobtainium from him. And then you have to go back to Recon Bob in the laundromat. Then you have to give him the unobtainium and your heavy sledgehammer, and then you get your super sledge, which is as strong as a sledgehammer can get. Thanks for watching YouTube. Goodbye.